So I've been eating this for like a week. This is how far we've gone. I think it's a bit too big, but I'm not sure. So I got this to list stoppers, and it has been very helpful, especially when you have curious creatures around, for example, cats and younger sisters. I just started this without using a gauge to watch, and I feel like that might have been a mistake. But I think I'm doing well. I think I'm doing well. And I had to start this like 3 different times because I didn't know that when you are doing a stockinette stitch, you just have to knit in a round, keep on going. You don't have to purl like in between rounds. So I started this like 3 times because I was a bit confused. In between, I casted on some loops. I don't know if that's what they call it, but because I felt like it was too small and then it ended up being big. So I'm not sure. I just have to hope for the decreases. I just have to hope for the decreases. That way, I feel like it fits better. So just keep on going to this. I'll see you soon. So I finally reached 12 centimeter, and we're going to change the color this time around to milk. Thankfully, I have some scrap yarn left. So it's going to be like so kind of. The rim is going to be milk, and then there's going to be a bow at the side. I'm going to hand sew, I believe, a bow at the side. So I'll see you guys when I start doing that. Let me introduce you to my cat. See, nobody asked, but let me just introduce you to them. This is Mau Mau. Hello. I can't carry cat. Kata. It's being carried. So I just finished the cream brim, and then I'm changing back to grey, and we're going round again to reach 12 centimeters in length. So I'll see you guys when I finish that. For the only advantages finished beanie, and it ended up being too big. I should have done a gift swatch. Yes. This is it. I'll try it on and I'll show you what the problem is. So this is how it looks like from the front, but this is where the problem is. This section here. This even looks weird from the side. I think I'm going to frog it and start over. So I mean, this is my first attempt, so I don't think I did too bad. I mean, it's just this is the problem. That's all. See you guys in the next one. I'll be retrying this beginning and we'll see how it goes this time. And as I've learned from my mistake, I'm definitely going to do a gift swatch this time. So see you in the next one. Bye.